Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. It's been kind of slow with car show content, so I decided to do a little rail watching again. Decided to try a new spot in Hilliard, and I caught one train. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
See how it plays out here. Amtrak coming to Hilliard on C-track. Be going by your dense one a little bit to see how it goes here. Depends on when they get up for each one, I guess. Alright, thank you.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 610.6. Track 2. CSX Equipment Defect Detector. Milepost 610.6. Track 2. No defects. No defects. Total axle 4. 8. End of transmission.
Alright, no defects. 297, engine 132. Got a clear here at 611, track 2000. Engine 132. Clear, distance to South Hilliard, track 7. 59, performing Johnson, over.
Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.